Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a solar ceiling gazebo or chicken coop light. Let's open up and see everything that we get inside it. So that's everything that's in the box. So you got like a quick manual and guide. And this is the solar light, so it's white. You get a remote control. A set of batteries in there. Let's open the batteries up. Just open the remote, and pretty easy installation. Flat side goes down to the spring. So that's going to be your remote. Then you have some mounting for like the cement wall surface. And you have your solar panel. Then we'll set that up. So it's got your mounting bracket here on the side. You have two different wing nuts that you can put to that. And then mount that however you need. And then these two pieces go together. And then you have your cap on this side, and then that will put that together and make a waterproof seal. And you got a lot of wire. So let's go outside. I don't have a chicken coop to mount this in, but we're going to mount it on the one side beam, and then I'll show you what it looks like at nighttime. So stay tuned. All right, so we have the solar panel mounted, and we kind of ran this wire just to kind of get it over here. So let's run that down. Let's hook this light up. So plug that in. Screw that, make sure it's waterproof. So we're going to mount this. So you got your two mounting screws. And since this is a kind of a 2x4 out here, I'm going to mount it like this. Just get that one started. Get this one started on this side. And then we'll just kind of hide this wire behind here. Alright. And we'll let that charge up, and we'll come back tonight and I'll show you how much light it puts out. Alright, and this is how it lights up at night. And you can tell all the area that it lights up out here. And over on this side. And here's with the light off. And then back on. So, lights up a pretty good area. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.